Concepcion, bounce pass, Comboy. Comboy, straight to the rim of the glass, bucket. To the middle, Viloria, post up, hook shot, yes sir, Viloria. Corner, post up, Bringas, fires, hook shot, yes sir, brings to Kasha. Kasha, attacks, bump, Sumegway, hook shot, bucket, Kasha. Welcome to Abra Solid Note Cup for 2024 between Laga. Kasha, stop, pass to the wings, corner, fake, Santos. The distancia, the crossover move, goes inside to the middle, fakes. Viloria, pull up J, first blood. And here's Team Banget 2. Corner pass, bounce pass, kicks out. Concepcion, attacks, inside pass, Bringas, fakes, crash, fire, rejected, put back, tie game. Pass to Kasha. Kasha, attacks, bump, Sumegway, hook shot, bucket, Kasha. Team Banget 2, number 27. Pass to the wings, inside pass, bump, fires, bucket. And Kasha now with the ball. Pass to the middle. And spins, Trinidad, 4-3, short. And the rebound, pass break now. Concepcion, bounce pass, Rabanal, bucket. He pass, Bringas, little hook shot, yes sir, Bringas. Baseball pass ulit. Exacto. To the middle, Viloria, post up, hook shot, yes sir, Viloria. Tad, long pass to Kasha, stolen. And the pass, libre. Well, number 7, Kasha. Pass to Trinidad. Trinidad at the free throw area, fires at 3, bang! And Comboy for the inbound, pass to Bringas. Kakaldag fires, rejected by Santos. Quarter shot of the glass, yes sir, the put. Kasha, Asinta, looking for the opponent. He stopped at the free throw area, bullseye, kicks out. Viloria, di distancia, pass to Kasha. Kasha, pull up Jetri, short. Viloria, the rebound, put back shot, no good. Santos will the finish, with the ball. And stops, pass to Viloria, high pass to Santos, post up, inside pass, lace, bucket. And the pass, Brioso. Frontoso, Nagawan. And here's Comboy, he's straight to the hoops, won't go, rebound and a put back shot, and number 13 will finish. And Trinidad spins, attacks, inside lace, bucket, Trinidad. And the deep 3. And it's Frontoso. Open look for 3. Trinidad. Bang! 3. Comboy sumisigsag. Dancing on the floor. Pass to Concepcion. Bounce to the middle. Brioso. And Trinidad falls at 3. Bang! Trinidad! Comes Comboy. He crosses over. Goes to the screen. Inside pass. Pull up. Jumper won't go. Battle for the rebound. And the pass break. And all alone. Easy 2. And number 30. Pass to Bringas. Bringas against Santos. Between the legs. Attacks. Fires. Yes sir. Bringas. Bringas against Santos. Goes inside. Lace. No good. Yes sir. Bringas. Bringas. Goes to the middle. Attacks. Spins to the middle, picks. Kicks out. Cross pass na agawan. Concepcion all alone. Easy bucket. Concepcion stop for 3. Bang! 3. Goes to the middle. Set the play. Pass to Trinidad. Trinidad di distancia. Stop. I-pass. He attacks. Corner. Open look for 3. Too strong. Put back shot. Bucket and 1. Viloria. We are tied at 31. Concepcion. Pass to the wings. Corner pass. Stops. Cross pass. To Concepcion. To the middle. And stolen. And the pass break. Bringas. Liz kinaliwa. Wala. Put back. Bucket. Front. Concepcion na agawan ni Kasha. Kasha against two defender, straight to the hoops, bucket! And pass to number 19 to Concepcion. Inside pass, Bringas, kinaldagan, bucket, Bringas, nagkapit. And here's number 11, Bringas. Spins, nakalusot, fast, bucket, Bringas! And here's Concepcion to Tolentino, high pass to the corner. Post up, Bringas, fires, hook shot, yes sir, Bringas. Number 11, fourth team, Lagayan, attacks, post up, spins, to the baseline, pull up J, bucket, Kasha. And here's Comboy, pass to Concepcion, to Comboy, goes inside, kicks out, open look for 3, bam, 3 points. Viloria, bounce pass inside. Post up, Viloria, pass rejected. Pass to Bringas, open look, no good. Battle for the rebound. Concepcion, bounce pass, Comboy. Comboy attacks, straight to the rim of the glass, bucket, Comboy. And Bringas, di discarte. Bringas goes inside, Hilis, basket and 1. Bringas, Comboy against Bringas. He attacks, cross pass, Concepcion nakalusot, off the glass, easy to Viloria to Kasha. Seconds to play, corner pass, open look, wide open, he bounce for 3, in and out. That's the Bringas. Goes to the screen, he stops, pass to Trinidad, to Kasha. Kasha against Comboy, behind the back dribble, the crossover goes to the screen, pull up J, no good, rebound, Viloria, put back, bucket, Viloria. Kasha against Comboy, pass to Trinidad for 3, bang, 3 points, 3. Pass to Concepcion to the corner, for 3, short, rebound, put back, short, and recover. Kicks out, Concepcion lays, yes sir, Concepcion. Boy now with the ball against against Bringas, nakalusot, inside pass, fires, easy to pass, goes to the screen, nakalusot, pass to Kasha to the middle, yes, target short, hook pass, Concepcion, high pass, and Concepcion lays, bucket, Concepcion, cross the mid lane. Comboy goes to the middle for 3. Bang! Galagi. Bringas, lumusot, stop, pull up J against Concepcion. Nugget. And here's Comboy. Comboy crossover, nakalusot. Floater shot, yes sir, Comboy. Kasha, crossover move, he spins. Falling away, bullseye, Kasha. And Comboy. Pass to Bringas for 3. Bang! Bringas against Comboy. He goes to the screen. The bounce pass. Lace. Nugget. Bringas. Bringas 4 on 2. Straight to the hoops. Bucket. Bringas. And the pass break. 3 on 1. And Dayad. Binasa. Fast. Wala pa rin. Put back. Bucket. Stolen. Comboy, stop, for 3, Nugget, rebound inside, pass, reverse layup, yes sir, Bayad, and Trinidad, crossover move, bump, falling away, is off the glass, yes sir, Bernal to Comboy, stops for 3, bang, Combo, 10-point lead for Banget 2, deep 3, bam! 3 points! Bringas. Stop, pull up J. Short. And that's the end. Backdoor inbound for team Banget 2. Here's Concepcion, post up. Pull up jumper, short. And Kasha, the long pass. Nauna all alone. Tinapboard Tino. The crossover. He goes inside. He lays. Yes, sir. Tolentino. Against Concepcion. Di distansya. Goes to the screen. Penetrate. Hook kicks out. Trinidad. Drives. Bounce pass to Kasha. Sinausaw. Tolentino. Spins. Bounce pass. And to the wings. Brioso. Tolentino. Bringas. Attacking the defense. Bump. Post up. Fires off the glass. No good. Rebound by Trinidad. Trinidad now in hurry. Straight to the hoops. Kinaliwa pa. Kasha to Trinidad. Goes inside. Trinidad lays. Easy to Trinidad. Comboy, pull up jet 3. Bang! In your face! Trinidad, bump. Inside the best layup. Yes, sir. Trinidad. Natapikan. And here's Viloria. For 3. Bang! Session for Banget 2. And his combo behind the back between the legs. Step up for 3. No good. Rebound Santos. Kasha. Last 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Pull up jumper. Bullseye for the left. Patay good. And his Bernal. Bernal natapikan. Recover. Here's Bringas against Santos. Goes to the screen. He bump. He fires. So bakit? Up by 2. 20 seconds left. And up by 2 for Team Banget 2. Kasha. Attacks. Bump. Kicks out. And is for on. So, fires at 3 again. Bang! Another 3. Para sa Banget 2. And here's attack. The side step sa gitna. Hook shot. In and out. Rebound. Bringas rejected. Rejected for 3. No good. Oh. And his bounce pass. Another 3. Bang for the lead. Kasha with the ball. 2 minutes, 10 seconds. Trinidad. And Banget to up by 2 for 3. Bang for the lead. Change rebound. Here comes Comboy. Comboy attacks to the middle. Open look for 3. Bang! Bringas. 52 seconds. Sumisigsag. Spins for the tie. Tie game by Bringas. And 12 seconds. Comboy. 8 seconds. And 5 seconds. Comboy. Step back. Pull up J. For the win. No good. Oh! Possession for Team Lagayan. Bringas. Sumasayaw. Penetrates, spin, picks, kicks out to Kasha, pull up J at the free throw, won't go. And here's Comboy, the pass, bucket for the lead. With the ball, Kasha goes to the middle, between the legs, attacking the defense, bomb, fires, tie game, Kasha. Open look, picks, drives, in pass, fires, Medrano, bucket. And here's Kasha. Kasha natapikan. Recover Kasha. Attacking the defense bump. Pull up J. In and out. And now tapikan. Recover. Concepcion pass. One bounce. Pinabitin. No good. Put back. Bucket. The follow-up shot. And posting up. Hook shot. Yes sir. Trinidad. 89. 2-point lead for Team Banget 2. Bounce pass. Recover Concepcion. Open look for 3. Bang! 3 points. And stops. Bounce pass. Concepcion and cross pass. And Kasha drives to the host. Pinabitin pa. Bakit? Kasha. Comboy against Kasha. Comboy. Crossover behind the back. 3 ball. And attacks. Floater of the glass bucket. Comboy. 5-point lead for Team Bangi 2 spins. Reverse kicks out. Fakes. And Trinidad, 8 seconds to shoot. Attacks. Fires off the glass bucket. Trinidad. 5 seconds. Comboy. Comboy. Against Kasha. Goes to the screen. Behind the back. Kicks out. And corner for 3. Too strong. Viloria. And it's Kasha. Kasha. Umikot. Trinidad for 3. Won't go. Rebound. Viloria. Kicks out. Open look for 3. No good. 94-91. Ball possession for Bangi 2. And he attacks. The crossover goes inside. Penetrates. Falling away. Rejected. Put back. Basket and 1. Trinidad. Against Concepcion. And the long pass. And Viloria pinabitin. Bakit? Nabitawan yung bola. Recover. He pass. Concepcion set the play. Concepcion on the free throw area. First play. Bucket. Last on the free throw. Bucket. He pass. Lost the handle. Pass back. Natapikan. And down. Deep 3. Congratulations, Bangi 2.